Hello and welcome to an episode in the NOCH calendar. Yes, my name is Martin Ternroth and I've been given the opportunity to be your host tonight. This video will focus on one of my favorite NOCH items, namely the static grass applicator and static grass. Yeah, NOCH released this new version of the Grass Master this year, which is version 3.0 and 3 Pro. And this new version really takes the grass application quality to the next level, especially when it comes to those taller grass types like 12mm, which is ½ inch. So that's really a fantastic progress. In this video, I think I will focus a bit more on the more common issues people or users see when they use grass application, static grass application. So what are the common mistakes and how do we avoid them?
The first thing you should do to assure a good result is to get a premium grass applicator, such as this NOCH Grass Master 3 or 3 PROFI. To fill this with grass, we unscrew the sieve and select the grass we want. Now this is a 6mm or 1/4 inch green grass. Now in tufts in real life the grass lengths vary, and if you're using like this tall grass, 12mm or ½ inch grass, the tuft should contain from other grass lengths than just this one. This will help you a lot to get the grass standing properly after application. So what I do, I mix a few different lengths. Here is the 2.5, 6 and 12mm in a small can. I just mix them around with my fingers like this. Another trick for successful application is to use not too coarse sieves. For this, even though it's a 12mm grass, I use the medium sieve. That will allow me to control the flow of grass to the surface better. Don't fill the applicator more than this. Half full is fine. Another trick for successful result is to use a good glue. I always use the 61131 grass glue. It has excellent conductivity and dries absolutely matte and transparent. In this diorama I want tufts of this 12mm grass in these smaller areas. Then I start to apply and you see I don't shake the applicator all that much. I let the grass straws fly to the glue spots. Excessive shaking of the applicator will only lead to that uncharged grass falls flat to the surface. Another trick is to vacuum the surface thoroughly when you're finished, or if you're applying in areas, then vacuum in between your applications. By vacuuming, you remove all of the lying grass, because the lying grass most often lies on top of standing grass below. Alright, so here you can see that all of the 12mm grass is standing up properly the way it should, next to this canal and canal boat.
Alright, I hope you liked this video about static grass application and the common mistakes and how to avoid them. And what are the takeaways here then? Well, don't overload the static grass applicator, and if you're working with the taller grasses like 12mm, ½ inch, then mix with shorter grass lengths to get a really perfect result. Always vacuum your surface thoroughly using a brush to get rid of all of the lying grass which lies on top of the standing grass below. And use the finer sieves to better control the flow of grass to the surface. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.